Carrying things from here to the campsite.
Good video, it fell down. Side.
Yes.
We are Karadiyoor. Ellaru vaanga. Always welcome you.
Guys are playing paintball and I'm helping them shooting the video. Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to today's YouTube channel Wanderum 2.0. We are all set for our the third ride together. The struggles are real, right? Packing.
Man versus wild.
So they're going to get the groceries. That's in the gym. Karthik, where are we going this time?
Yercaud.
Yercaud. How long?
240 kilometers. Is it raining or that? Huh? Is it raining?
I didn't carry any of the rain gear now. Not even single thing. So we both didn't carry. We can stay together. I was basically thinking why he's not wearing any gear. See, everything is inside.
Noted DJ is better than both.
Yes, that is true. Oh, always late. He stays very far. Some people are coming by that car. So we have Himalayan Joe, we have Mike ATM.
But you would have ordered Blinkit, na? This is garbage bag.
So this guy was praising so much about DJ. He is not able to install it. It's been half an hour. He's trying this. Bro, give up, yaar. Give up, it's okay. Since we had a car along with our bikes, we shifted all our luggage into the car to have a comfortable ride. We started our journey around 5 am and just look at the roads, it's so foggy. The visibility is so low that we could barely see the road ahead. We stopped at our usual highway breakfast spot, had a quick meal and continued for our journey. So we have stopped in between and we are gonna see some waterfalls as suggested by Mr. Karadiyoor.
We have falls here.
We have falls here, guys. The struggles of exploring some local waterfalls.
Never.
Hoodie never falls, it seems.
I don't fall. Whoever say that, they fall.
Taking some underwater photo shoot with DJ. Bro, how is it? I will also test. Karthik, you are standing or sitting?
I'm standing here.
Then he's leaving. The moment he saw him standing, he left. Oh, it's cold. No, she's there. She's there. No, this. Oh my God. Push. Go for it. Go.
Get up.
I am there. What?
This guy is mad, bro. Come out of water, please. Okay, no problem. Okay.
You are making me joke around.
You are Sorry, I mean you are giving such content. What should I do? The perks of taking dip into waterfall. Sorry, falling into waterfall. I don't want to remove my helmet. For the first time in my entire life, I did the hairpin sort of curves, and initially I thought I will stop it right away and give my bike to Krishna, who is apparently in the car, but then I realized if not now then when. So then I have tried my level best. What I did is like everyone says, my most of the friends says, I kept my right leg on the leg side brake, and then I kept one leg down and I did the deep curve. I got the confidence and I will never stop, and I loved this journey. It was so adventurous for me and very nice. I'm proud of myself. Our people went in a wrong route. He went to search but couldn't find. He came back. We don't even have network to call them. They should have a network now, na? This uncle is helping us with his phone. On the way, we took a short break at Karadiyoorviewpoint before continuing our ride further. These guys have come first to have good meals. We are in the center of Yercaud now. So another 17 minutes from here, we will be reaching our final stop. We are here, and so we need to park our bikes here and walk for 200 meters this way to reach to the place where he chose for today. Okay, tell me how you're finding these places.
By Google Earth.
Google Earth.
Yeah.
And risk and all, how you will find?
I come and visit in person.
Oh my god. We basically search in Google Earth, come here, identify the potential risk and suggest.
1,000 rupees.
We have given yesterday, you have taken 1,000 rupees from all of us. Have you paid 1,000?
Yes.
As we waited for the car, our guys joined the local kids for the game of volleyball. Carrying things from here to the campsite.
Good video. It fell down. Take it.
How will I? What is this one for?
I don't know, ma'am. The posing kept somewhere.
Okay. Carefully, bro. I saw the mat somewhere. Is that mine? parked our vehicles there, and we're going to walk around 200 meters carrying our stuff. The excess gear and all, everything we have kept in the car itself, which is not needed for the night camp. From where this Karthik finds really good places, which is basically unbeaten, unexplored. कैसे लग रहा है? Heavy है क्या?
Oh. 3 rounds, bro.
You do one round, bro.
Side.
Yeah, so.
Yes.
Find another place, bro. Bro, we'll burn this only. See? Bro, first we have to cut this and we'll only design, we'll only decide. Okay, one tent is there. Okay, it is fine, that is mine.
While the gang was busy setting up the event, I made a cup of chai for myself and for them as well. This place is very nice. Is basically you have the total hill view, but this is so flat, and we have gone little up there, maybe from here 100 meters, and the place is really good, and the viewpoint for the sunrise and sunset is breathtaking. And if I come this side, from here backside is a home somebody, and for that you need to cross around 100 meters of coffee estate. Look at the view behind me, and it is so breathtaking. I'm really looking forward to see the night view of this particular place.
Riders, okay? 3, 2, 1. We are riders.
Our guys have arranged the fire camp already. Good morning. I'm all set. Just look at the view from my tent. I've got the perfect sunrise spot. Good morning. We will go there. The struggle is real.
Bring the
4.
Bring the cups.
I got a new company.
For barbecue.
Yeah, ma'am need barbecue, so I'm petting him. Within 2 minutes, barbecue's ready.
Burning the wastage and all, we are keeping it very clean.
Everything, making sure like everything is clean and in place. So.
How was the trip?
It was all good.
Mm-hmm.
Stay was so nice. Even the ride was so good.
Mm-hmm.
The waterfall was so amazing. And the view, night view. Apron nalla irundhe. Vaanga.
Welcome you. What we say? No script. Ellaru vaanga. No, there is one. Ellaru vaanga. Always welcome you. Hey, just play like human, bro. Like Janwar, you have to see.
How did it go? Internal is it? God, you can't see anything. It's an internal injury, and there is no repair. Part has to be replaced. Heartbroken, bro. On our way back, we also visited Poppyhills and had some fun with adventure activities.
Should we fire at Krishna? Okay. Krishna is your target.
We'll
Team up, but you know we can.
Yeah, success.
You just shoot it accidentally, sorry. Not sorry. Not sorry.
Come on, go for it, Krishna. You are the main player, no? India-Pakistan game. This is India. The blue is Pakistan team. The red is Indian team. Guys are playing paintball and I'm helping them shooting the video. Hopefully they will not hit me.
Mask on.
Don't waste bullets. Nice one. Bro, I can't. India versus Pakistan game is happening. Bro, aim properly, use bullets. Good, good. Arun. Go, go, it's the right time. Go, go, go. It's going, go. Go, da, go. Go closer. It's the right time, go closer. Go, he's gone, no bullets.
It's a joke or what? Like, it's going like this.
Oh, he charged from Pakistan team.
Pakistan won.
Pakistan won. We have come to the same spot again. Now we will take a proper shower and leave to Bangalore. Our food is also here. It was a 500 kilometers round trip to Yercaud Hills from Bangalore, and what an amazing ride with such a funny team. And guess what? This was my first ride of 2025. Stay tuned, more adventures coming soon. Thank you for watching till the end. Bye.